Hello, welcome back for lesson number 28. I put a title called Add On. We are going to add on the balance of the whole for the operation whereby the plunging process is taken place. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the file and then continue with the lesson. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have completed the last island, which is a delta. So we have to double click the part so that we can go into the part mode. With this, we sketch. We need to add on the holes. We select the top area and we click OK. From there, we select circle and then we need to give position and the diameter, which is radius 1.5, and the position is 0,2.05 for the first hole. Then we click OK. We continue another circle, which is 0,11.25. That is the second one. And then we click OK. The third one, we click OK, and the fourth one. Okay, we have completed the 4 holes, the additional one. So we exit and we go into the cam plan. We have to update the status of the component that we edited. So we use update and then update component. Exit from the menu and right mouse click edit on the whole one. We need to update by adding the extra hole that we created. Select circle and pick the 4 holes that we created just now and select Z minus Z axis to ensure the whole direction is go down. OK, we click OK. With that, we click OK again to close the menu. Right mouse click calculate the center drill operation. You can see the drilling is carried out correctly, and we continue with the packing process as well. Okay, so okay, with that, we're going to do a solid verify to ensure everything looks good, and continue with the analysis to make sure we still have material for the final process. Okay, so we save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to accomplish the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to accomplish the task. First, we double click to hide the previous operation, and we double click this one to go into the sketch mode. With that, we select sketch. This is the plane, then click OK. We go into the sketch mode. First, we need to put a circle and select the second one, and the radius is 1.5. Okay. Then we give the position on the first hole 2.05, 0,2.05. Then we have seen this position. Okay. Continue. Second position is 0,11.25. Okay. And then the third one minus 30.95. 11.67. Okay, and the last one 18.34, 22.91. Okay, we exit, go into the cam plan, right click the component, update status, update component, we close, so the punctuation mark is disappeared. With that, we click and we need to add the hole, edit, add holes. We will select circle and we need to tilt the part so that we can select correctly. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hole exit minus Z. OK. OK. We need to move out a little bit. Right mouse. Calculate. We need to double click to see the path is correct. Yes. We will do one more time for the backing. Yes, double click. You can see the hole position. And we will continue with the solid verify. That we can slow down and then to see, play. Looks good. Let us do the analysis visual. I need to flip the part so that we can see better. You can see the mark that left over from the drilling operation. We still have material to cut in the later time. Yes, everything looks good. Close this one, and we save the file. Thank you for watching. Let me continue with the balance of the operation at the next lesson. Bye bye.